Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing okay. Today I want to show you how to crochet octagon cardigan. This would be the first type of it with no gaps. Actually we have gaps but only in the corners, okay? This is the pattern of it. If you want you can screenshot it. It looks a little bit ugly, I'm sorry. This is the main part of the angles. I made it separately so that it can be clear, because here it's a little bit not so clear. So how we make it, okay? I have the sample already here. So this is going to be your what is it, final product. I just crocheted here too many rounds. I made one additional round, okay? You go on crocheting rounds until you have these two parts like coming face to face like this here, okay? But if you want to make buttons, you can make additional if you depending on your yarn, okay, additional one or more rounds, so that you can put the buttons here and the holes for the buttons here, so that you can close like this. At the end you can join this part, this line. This would be the shoulders and arms, but while you will be closing it, joining these parts, don't do this till the end, okay? Leave some space for the neck. And also, when you leave a little space for the neck here, these parts, these angles, can look like collars, like this, okay? In total it does look like this. This is not the only one type of this cardigan, okay? I will show you several ways of doing it. If at the final product your arm lengths are not enough, you can, after you joining this part, you can go on crocheting in rounds desirable lengths for your arms, and also you can go on crocheting like this at the bottom to have the desirable length of your cardigan. But this is suitable for only this type of octagon cardigan, okay? I'm planning to do three separate videos, and there will be other ways of creating length, desirable lengths of anything, of arms, of this lower part, whatever. Let's start doing it. Okay, you need to chain first to start going in around and creating your pattern, okay? But these lengths should be the length of your back, okay? The width of your back. If you don't know, if you like, I don't know, maybe you have something ready, the clothes you already have, you can measure the between the armpit points, okay? Just like I'm showing here, from this part to this part, this would be your lengths to create this pattern. If you don't, I don't know, you can choose any width you like. Maybe you like oversized clothes or vice versa, whatever. These chains should be the length of your bag, and we take it, we measure it from one armpit point to the other. Okay, for example, I will make just random amount of chains. I'm not even gonna count because it really doesn't matter counting this. Okay, let's add a few more. So this is our first round. We start from this here. Of course, we start with 3 chains, and these 3 chains we will be counting as 1 double crochet. And then at the endings of this stripe, let's say like this, this is going to look like this. We will need to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of double crochets into 1 chain. This is a lot, but this is what we have to do. Excuse me. So between these 5 pairs of double crochets, we will need to crochet 2 chains for corner spaces, okay? Because we need to, you see this straight line here, this straight line is this one, and corners, we have these corners here, okay? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 5 pairs of double crochets. This is what we do in the first round for the both sides. Now this is whatever the amount of chains we need to crochet for the width of our product cardigan. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains, as we said already, will be counted as 1 double crochet. So I need to 1, 2, 3 into the 4th chain right here. I place 1 double crochet. So what I made here is this exact part, okay? 3 chains and 1 double crochet. Now chain 2 and 2 more double crochets into the same spot. One, 2. See, now let me show you this. 1 pair and 2 pairs already we already have. Now chain 2, 2 more double crochets into the same spot. Oops. 1, 2. 2 chains. 1, 2, 3. 2 more pairs we need. Chain 2, and we place the last pair of double crochets into this same spot. That's it. This is our the edge part, the side part of this stripe. Now we're going to just place one double crochet into one chain side by side till we go to the last chain. Where is it? Where is it? Excuse me. It's a little bit hard to see through camera. Okay. So go into next chain, place another double crochet. Okay. Let me pause here and I will see you at the last chain. Okay, the very last one chain is left here, and now we're going to place the same thing as we did here, and this is 5 pairs of double crochets with 2 chains between all of them. Okay, now let's go. One double crochet, 2 double crochet into the same spot, chain 2, 2 more double crochets into this same spot. This will be our second pair, chain 2, third pair of double crochets into the same spot, same chain, chain 2, fourth pair, one, 2, 3, 4, and the last pair. This one is twisted a little. Okay, the last pair here. Okay, see how it looks? Now let's go on placing 1 double crochet into each chain from this side till we go to this part and finish the round. Oops. Okay. I'll probably pause here again so that the video is not too long. Let's place our double crochets and I will see you at this part. So remember we started with 3 chains here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and into the third chain at the top you go and close the round with slip stitch like this. Okay, we are done with our first round and it looks like this. Now we need to go second rounds, and the logic of second and all the other rounds are the same. So at these parts of the stripe, you are just going to place one double crochet on top of the other double crochet, but at the edges of the stripe, a little bit things are happening. Okay, so this is the first round. We just made it. We placed 5 pairs of double crochets, right? So now in the second round, we're going to place 2 double crochets on top of each of these double crochets from first round, like so. You see this pink double crochets on top of these blue double crochets, and we are going to do this with all these 5 pairs, okay? But in the corners, each corners will be the same. All the corners are the same all the time in all the rounds, okay? The corners are going to be 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. These corners are going to be the same all the time, and this is going to be the second round. And if you want to go on the third round and into whatever round, you just place 1 double crochet on top of the of each double crochet from previous round, and adding the corners. Corners are the same: 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. And just like so, your size will be getting bigger, okay? You see, we started here with 2 double crochets, then at the next round it became 6 double crochets at one side, okay, from corner to corner, and it went on increasing. Logically, take the yarn. Okay, how are we going to do this? You see, we are already here at the top of this double crochet. Let's place, we start the round with 3 chains, and these 3 chains are going to be counted as 1 double crochet. So we have these so-called double crochet above this double crochet from the first round, so it's okay. Now we're going to put double crochet on top of this one, like so. Now we're at the corners. Corners are always the same: 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. And we have 2 double crochets here. We need to place 1 on top of each, 1 double crochet. So on top of this double crochet, 1 new double crochet, and 1 more double crochet on top of the second one. We're at the corner again. Corners are the same: 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. And again, we are placing double crochets on top of the double crochets from previous round. Corner, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, two, no, did something wrong here. Yes. And the last corner. See how it looks? This is what you're going to work on in all the rounds. Now, let's go on placing 1 double crochet, on top of the other double crochet, 1 on 1. We just go on crocheting. Okay, let me pause here and we will meet right here. We are almost at the corners. Okay. Now what do we do at the corners? We place 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. 1, 2. At this part, we're going to do the same things we did here. We're still beating. New double crochet placed on the top of the double crochet from previous rounds, like so. Corner. Again, placing new double crochets on top of the old double crochets from previous round. Another corner. Two chains. The last corner. Two chains and 2 more double crochets. Now we are just placing double crochets side by side till the end of this round. Okay, see, we're going like this till this part. Let me pause the video here. Okay, we are done with the second round, and we started the second round with 3 chains, and let's go into the top chain 1, 2, 3 and close the round with a slip stitch. I will stop crocheting right here for this pattern because it's just the same things. You can just not think and go on crocheting in rounds. Okay, whatever the amounts of round you need, but now I want to show you how to, maybe you know it already, but I will show you anyway shortly. For example, how to close these parts, these arms and shoulders, so that it can be wearable with a slip stitch method. My favorite method, it's the with the slip stitch. Okay, these are the corners right here. We placed 2 chains at these corners. Okay, take one. You see these stitches here, they are like V's. Okay, V. Now take one part of this V. Again, we have 2 chains at the corner. We'll leave one to this side and take one part of this V like so, and we do the same thing here. We take the halves of these V's that come face to face when you put them like this. Okay, not just randomly. Okay, take it here like so. Take your yarn. I will make it with a different color so that it's clear to see what's happening here. Pull this through right here and pull one more time right here. Now go on taking sides of these stitches let me pull this a little bit. Now yarn over, pull once, pull twice, and pull third time. Next, take the next half of this V, the other half, that are facing each other. Okay, they need to be like parallel. One more time. One half, second half, yarn over, pull through once, pull through twice, and pull through third time. See, we have this joining line here. So like so, you go on joining your stitches. This is the easiest way and the quickest way to join the parts, the slip stitch joining method. This is my favorite. You can use, of course, other ways of joining. It's all absolutely up to you. It's just my suggestion. Let me try to finish this. See how it looks? If you make it the same color, it's one of them be noticeable. Let's do it like a few times more. Okay. I'll pause here and I will meet you at the finish. So this will be enough. When I'm trying to finish it, see where I'm at? Yarn over, pull through this chain, cut the yarn, pull this, and you will have to hide this like so from at the beneath. Okay, you see we have arm here, shoulder and arm, and you can place it like this and use it as a collar. Okay, like so. It's going to be your color if you want it, of course. Now let me show you how to go on crocheting to prolong the length of the arm. It's also the basics of crocheting, so if you are good at crocheting, you will figure it out yourself, but I will show you anyway. At this part, I would advise you to start right here. We are going to crochet in rounds this arm, okay, but I will advise you to start right here, so the joining line will stay at the bottom and is not noticeable. I will just place, see, we have this armpit point right here, and somewhere here go into the top of the double crochet. Place the yarn. Again, you can choose the same color of the yarn if you want. Pull it like this. You can chain 3 and go on placing double crochets side by side and go on like this. But let me advise you a little tip. You see, we again we have these V's right here. I go into the middle of this V and take only 1/2, place a new yarn. Okay, now what I do here, you see I took one side of this V and now I want to take the second part, and this time I take both of it, okay, like so. Pull the yarn to the front like this. You have 2 loops on your hook. yarn over and pull through two, like you would do creating single crochet. Now you see we have two parts of the single crochet. Now go into this left side, pull the yarn again, yarn over, pull through two. I do this to make the joining line of the rounds as less noticeable as possible. Okay, it's optional. You can start with the first version if you want. Now go on crocheting like so. Oh, no. Now let's go. Okay, what do I do at this part? See, there's a joining line here. Here you can place the double crochet into the space or into this stitch. I chose to place it into the space because after that we're not gonna have any corner spaces anymore. Now here I take this last chain, like so, another corner space, and that's it. Just go on placing new double crochets on top of the old double crochets. Let's finish the line together. The round, excuse me, it's not the line, it's the round. You can also add ribbings to the cuffs if you want. I'm not going to show ribbings here. Maybe I'll make another video for it. I'll try to. But you can always find tutorials of other YouTubers for the ribbing if you want. Okay, we are here at the last spot. You see, we need to go on top of it, and I will take both sides of it, of this V-stitch. Okay, slip stitch, that's it. Go on crocheting in rounds and increase your arm length however you want. Okay, you can do the same type of prolonging at the bottom, but this time you won't be going in rounds but turning the sides. Okay, I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, comment if you want. Have a nice day.